What's up, investors? My name is Artem Dikarev, and in a couple of minutes you will know what's the difference between index funds and mutual funds. I will first give you a professional definition and then I'll explain it as easy as I can with examples. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing by watching such short videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video to show the support for the young creator. Many more videos are coming. Thank you so much and let's get straight to the point. Alright, so the difference between index funds and mutual funds is the composition of such funds, the way they are managed, the fees and the goals. And if you're not sure what an index fund or a mutual fund mean individually, feel free to watch my previous videos. And here is an example. Mutual funds are mutual funds, but index funds can be either mutual funds or ETFs. And the first and the main difference is the composition of such funds. Index funds only mimic stock market indices such as the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Russell 2000. It means that by investing in such index funds, your portfolio will have an exposure to every single company from such indexes. Otherwise, you would have to invest in hundreds or even thousands of companies individually, and it will be very time consuming and expensive. And mutual funds, they can be investing in anywhere they want. For example, they can be invested in particular sectors and industries, regions and countries, or even specifically selected companies. And in case a mutual fund mimics any particular stock market index, for example the S&P 500, then it becomes an index fund. The second difference is the way these funds are managed. Generally speaking, mutual funds are more actively managed, meaning that they make more buy and sell transactions on a regular basis, while index funds are mainly passively managed, meaning that unless an index that such fund follows changes its composition, no rebalancing or management is required. The third difference is the fees. Because of active management, mutual funds tend to have higher fees comparing to index funds. And the reason for this is because they need to employ various analysts and they need to pay for research. And index funds, they usually have very low fees because they can avoid active management. Sometimes such fees can be 0.03% or even lower, which means that you will need to pay only $3 in annual fees for every $10,000 invested. Finally, the fourth difference is the goals of such funds. Mutual funds try to outperform the stock market. For this reason, they are actively looking for better investments every single day, hence the higher fees. But index funds only need to match the performance of the stock market or an index that they are following. And usually their performance is very close. And if you still have any questions after watching this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll personally reply to you. Check my other videos to see if there's anything else you want to learn about personal finances and investing. Thank you all so much for spending this couple of minutes with me. I really hope there was something new that you learned today and it was straight to the point.